So, meron mo tayong video ngayon. This is all about basic algebra. Ito po yung napakadali lamang. This focuses on the different laws of exponent. For number 1, for example, you have x squared cube. Paano ba to? So, ang rule dito, that x raised to n is equivalent to x raised to m times n. So, may siyang x raised to 2 times 3. It will become x to the 6th. So, yun lang po yung basic algebra. Pangalawa, for example, you have 10x raised to 10 over 10 po yan, 2x raised to 5. Ang first step dito, numerical coefficient mo na 5, divide mo. Tapos ito, subtract natin that x raised to m divided by x raised to n. So, equivalent to x raised to m minus n. So, 5x, 10 minus 5, it will become 10 minus 5. So, 5x raised to the 5th power. Yun na po naman, dali lang naman ang algebra. For number 3, for example, you have x plus 4 squared. Paano ba to? We have two methods. The first method is the manual FOIL method. Yan, FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. Nagyan siyang x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. Tapos simplify mo, the x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, yun po. Pero, ang second method, mas madali. Square the first term, x squared. Distribute the exponent sa inside terms, 2 times 4 times x, 8x. Tapos, square the last term, 16. Diba, parehas man lang? Diba, same man lang? Okay. And for the last problem, for basic algebra, and for the last problem, so, for example, we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7x plus 3x. So, ito, this is distributive. May gisyan 3x squared plus 5x distribute minus 7x minus 3x. Yun, diba? So, nakita nyo, nag-iba yung sign niya. Okay? So, may gisyan natin 3x squared plus 5x minus 7x minus 3x. So, ito naman, pwede mo ito gawing minus 10x. Pwede naman ganon. I-add na natin yan. So, may siyang 3x squared, negative 7x minus 3x, negative 10x plus 5x, negative 5x. Pero same lang naman po yan. So, yan na po yung ating distributive. Okay, let's add another problem pa. For example, you have 2x cube raised to 10. Paano yan? 2 cube, 1,024. X cube raised to 10, x raised to 3 by 10. So, magiging siyang 1,024 x raised to 30. So, yun lang. And for number 6, last problem. For example, you have 169x raised to 13 divided by 13x raised to 5 halves. May fraction. Paano yan? Again, numerical coefficient, 169 divided by 13, copy x, 13 minus 5 halves lang. That's simply 13 minus 2.5. That's become 10.5 or 10 and 1 half or 21 halves. So, may siyang 21 over 2. That's it. You now have your answer. This is for basic algebra. Thank you for listening and watching.